good morning. We're having our family brunch at home block for the Burbank Singapore, December 24, 2025. Merry Christmas Day, folks. Okay, we're having our family brunch at home block for the Burbank Singapore. This leasing po, yung signature bago ibigay yung leasing po. 74 years na Singapore po tayo. Minsan ni microphone sa sleeping. Okay, there's a share. Okay, there's share. Tonight is Christmas Eve celebration. Okay, we will have our celebration at home, of course, as usual. Enjoy, folks. We're having spaghetti with fried chicken and sunny side egg. Okay, enjoy and